Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing well. I am Kriti Bhatia and this is my first ever YouTube video. I'm gonna launch a Python tutorial in which I will teach you step by step how to program in Python. So let's get started. Before learning Python, you should be very clear that why you want to learn it. What is the reason that you are learning Python? What is Python? So let's see. Python is general purpose and high level language. Now there are two terminologies. One, it is general purpose language. Two, it is a high level language. Now what is high level language? High level language is a language that is understandable by programmer very easily. Now it uses English words, it uses mnemonics so that we can easily understand the language. We know that machine language is written in the form of 0 and 1. It is very difficult to understand the language which is written in 0 and 1. And we know that computers only understand the language 0 and 1. So interpreter is used in Python language so that high level language can be converted into machine level language. Now the next thing is it is a general purpose programming language. Python is general purpose programming language. That is, it can be used to build applications of various domains. Like you can create business applications. It is basically used a lot for back-end applications, and there are various apps which are built in Python. Google, it is built in Python. Instagram, Uber, Pinterest, Quora, Spotify, there are various applications that are built in Python. So it is a very great language. Why you should go for Python? You might have learned various language like C, C++, Java. Suppose if you want to print a name in Java language, you have to write various lines in order to print your name. But in Python, you can do it in mere one line. So that's the easiness of Python. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Some people have a misconception that Python is named after snakes. No, it is not named after snakes. Actually, Guido sir liked the show Monty Python's Flying Circus. He liked it so much that he named the language after that show. Thank you.